Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In our today class, we will practice some more sums. First, we will do one exercise sheet related to beads on the ones rod and tens rod. We have to read the beads and write the answer. So let's start our exercise sheet. So this is our exercise sheet related to the beads. I give the one example. Our first bead is 73. So I write the 73. Then you have to read the beat कि आपके टेंस एंड वंस पे कितनी बीट्स हैं. Then you have to write here. On the tens there is a 20 beats. 2 beats it means 20. And your ones rod there is 5 on the top beat and 2 on the lower beats. So my answer is 27. The next 50 on the top of tens rod and all beat together on the ones rod, that is 9. So 59. Next 53. Next 31. 59. If all beat together on the ones rod, it means the answer is 9. If all beat together on the tens, it means the answer is 90. Now the next 22. 50 and 30 on the lower, 80 and 1. 38. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि all beat together either on the ones rod or either on the tens rod. It means the answer is 90. So 95. 62. 17. So this is some example. We have to understand the beat form on the abacus. So now we will start some more sums that is on the abacus. So again मैंने आपके लिए कुछ sums लिखे हैं. लास्ट क्लास में हमने ये वाले सम्स किए थे और आज की क्लास में हम ये सम्स करेंगे. सो दैट इज़ ऑन दी अबैकस. माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 11. सो आई पुश 10 and 1, then 8. So 8 is 5 and 3 lower beats together, 8. Less 7. Less 7, 5 and 2. We have to push down the beats and at 20 on the tens rod. So read the answer. This is 32. So my answer is 32. I have to write here 32. Now the next sum 33. 30 on my tens rod. I have to push beat up and 3 on my ones rod. Then 5, 1 and 60. So my answer is 99. Next 80. अब 80 के लिए टेंस रॉड पे 50 and 30 make 80 and 4. Now let's do. Then at 6 less 50. Then my answer is 38. Next 95, 4 less 6 less 20. Then my answer is 73. Next is 77 less 6, 5 and less 11. 65. My answer is 65. जब भी हम कोई भी नंबर ऐड करते हैं तो ऐड करते टाइम वी हैव टू पुश द बीट अप फॉर एडिंग. When we less any number, we have to less down the beat on the ones or tens rod. 22. 5 less 1. The less one, it means I have to push down one beat. Less 11. 11 means I have to less 10 first, then 1. My answer is 10 and 5 is 15. Next three sums. 55. 55. Add 2. Less 6. Add 40. 5 40 on my tens rod and 5 on my ones rod. So read the answer. This is 19. If all the beat together, it means the answer is 90. And on my ones rod there is 5 and 1 is 6. So 96 is my answer. 96. Next is 66. 3 less 8. Less 8 means less 5 and 3 beat down. Less 8. And the add 20. So add 20. Then my answer is 50 and 30. 80 and 1. 81. So children, this is the way of doing the sum on abacus. If you are practice daily some direct sums, so you can easily add sums. So children, for regular watching, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. मैं डेली एक नया वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए अपडेट करूँगी ताकि आपको हर तरह के सम्स मेरे चैनल पे मिलेंगे और जिससे आप 2 digit 9 rows 10 rows 11 12 even 25 rows you can do with the abacus. Multiplication you can do, multiplication visual, डिवीज़न, बहुत सारे सम्स हैं जो आप अबाकस के थ्रू कर सकते हैं. So like and subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you.